Hello there, so in this video I'm going to show you how damage could be caused to the LED strip. So here I have an RGBW strip, the 20 watts per meter. I'm going to turn this on so all of the LEDs are on. So the LED strip is flexible in the form that it could bend this way, like so. But if you were to twist the LED strip, so if you're on site or you're working on the project and you actually twist the LED strip this way, you'll notice that there's a colour. I'm not sure if that can show on the camera, but the colour has been damaged there. So an LED with that little twist there is damaged. It looks like the red LED. So if you twist the LED this way, I'll try to show you again. Just a simple twist like that, damage the LED strip. So as you can see there, hopefully that's showing up. This strip is completely white, this strip is blue. From the twisting that has caused the damage. And you could also knock a resistor. It is an open PCB, so if you stand on the strip or pull on the strip in the wrong way or twist the strip, this can cause damage to the strip and take out colours from the LED strip. So you have to be very careful with handling the strip. It is a PCB. It is robust. I mean, this is one of our robust strips, but it just shows you how easy it can be damaged by twisting the LED strip in the wrong way. You can take out colours like so, like there we've lost two colours there. And that's how easy it is to damage the strips. So be very careful when installing these.